Hi everyone and welcome to another daily video. My name is Ricky Hayes from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, and in today's video we're all going into messenger marketing, alright? So before we do get a bit further into it, just wanted to add again, hit over 1,000 1,000 members in the Facebook Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle group. I keep just stuttering over myself today. And that's so exciting. I had a live yesterday. If any of you missed it, it's in my group. And I answer as many questions as possible. It was great fun. I was very nervous, but it turned out to be a really good experience. I really enjoyed it. And from that, I'm going to be doing weekly ones around store reviews, general questions, things like that. And I'll probably start doing some on YouTube here and there as well. So I really want you all to join my Shopify group on Facebook, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, if you haven't already. I add a lot of value in there. I really try and help as many people as I can. It's really good fun and a really good group. And anyway, let's get straight into today's video around messenger marketing. Alright, so with messenger marketing, the reason that it's really good is basically just because it's got far higher open rates than emails. Emails definitely work, so definitely don't discount emails. But messenger marketing works extremely well and is extremely easy to set up. There's not a huge amount to it, I'll be honest. The thing you do have to be aware of, for messenger marketing to be effective, your website needs to be what's known as whitelisted. I believe about 6+ months ago, I can't remember the exact time frame. Excuse me, I just need a drink. Facebook did a change to their policies around privacy and stuff like that. And Facebook made it so that if you were a new store, after that time, the tick was automatically unticked. As a result, that drastically reduces the amount of people that actually can that you can remarket via Messenger, which is quite annoying, but there is a way around that, all right? So with Recart, I use Recart, so I suggest installing Recart. You have a 7-day free trial. Contact their support once you can only do it once you have the paid version. It's $30 a month. And you contact them and say, hey, I want my website to be whitelisted. The reason you want to do that ASAP is that it takes 2 to 4 weeks. I usually actually find most of the time it's nearly 4 weeks for the stores that I've made for your website to be whitelisted. And what that enables is the tick will be ticked by default, so that when someone adds to cart, they're automatically approving to be remarketed via Messenger. So then your automated bot will kick in and remarket them automatically. Okay, that's going to piss some people off, but you're going to piss some people off anyway. So don't worry about that. Make sure that you do that as soon as possible, okay? Because once you kick off, you really want to try and use messenger marketing. It works so well. On the latest store that I'm running, already generated me over $1,000 in sales, completely on autopilot. Just from 3 simple messenger messages that they get over a time frame. All right, so make sure to install that. You will need to connect it to your Facebook page. They've got instructions on how to do that. Okay, it's really easy. But once you have once you actually install Recart, it takes you through that quick setup guide, which is really handy. What other thing you need to be aware of as well is that in order to be whitelisted, your messenger widget needs to be right under your add to cart button. Facebook are very picky with that. I actually got declined once, and then it went from 1 month to 2 months because I had to reapply, which was just a pain in the ass, and I'm sure that I lost money from that. So don't make that mistake. Make sure it's under there. All right. So once you have it, sorry about that. I just made a mistake and actually had to go and fix it. It was actually, I made a mistake on one of my live stores, and I was sort of like, shit. Anyway, so back to Messenger. All right. I do apologize for that. Made a bit of a mistake with one of my own stores because it integrates with your Facebook. I didn't log out and I ended up stuffing it up. By the way, if you do ever have issues with the Recart integration with your Facebook account, just make sure to go into your business integrations. You'll see Recart there and remove it. That'll then force it to re-add it, okay? Just as a little quick tip. But anyway, so this here, I've set this up the exact way of how I use this on my stores. Now, it doesn't need to be perfect again, but this is what I do. So once you've got your page connected, in this case, it's dogs. You want to enable all 3 your abandoned cart campaigns. So then basically you just say, hey there, we see you're interested in some of our products. That's a typo. Anyway, return today and use discount code MY10. Remember, if you're in my group, I said the other night about making discount codes for different things, so you can see where the sales are more attributed to, not in different ways. At checkout for an additional 10% off your entire order. Now, sorry, I forgot to capitalize that. Off your entire order. Whoops, and I hate when it does that. Off your entire order. Coupon expires in 48 hours. This will make a bit more sense in a moment. Your 10% coupon expires in 48 hours. Check out before we sell out with 10% off. And then the call to action button is claim 10% off. You can put your image here, but I don't know, it sort of just distracts. Basically, you just want to see how you're really sort of hammering home the call to action. That's all you really want there. So you just enable that. Once they get more functionality, you can have dynamic coupons, which will be cool as well. Even more personal. Then after 24 hours, so the first one said 48 hours, this whole campaign goes for 48 hours, so this will make a bit more sense. Hey there, just a reminder, your 10% discount code expires in 24 hours. Return today and use discount code MY10 at checkout for an additional 10% off your entire order. Be quick, offer won't last forever. So now you're just reminding them and saying that it doesn't last forever. Your 10% coupon code expires in 24 hours. High sellout risk, 10% discount code expires soon. Claim 10% off. So you're using the same method, basically, to do that. And this is just how easy this is. Like, there's not a huge amount to this. And then 48 hours, last chance to get your 15% off these awesome items. And then I use an emoji. They've got heaps of cool emojis here too. So use discount code MY15 to get 15% off your entire order. This discount code expires in the next hour, so this is your last chance. So it's gone from giving them a discount code to a bit of urgency to like, nah, this is it. You need to buy now or you're missing out. So you really push them down your funnel, basically your abandoned cart funnel or abandoned messenger funnel, and then complete order now and say 15% off your entire order. I really hammer that home. I didn't capitalize that, sorry, I was just capitalizing it. Subtitle, use my 15 discount code at checkout. This offer expires in 1 hour. Claim my 15% off. So basically that's all I do is that I go from, hey, temps, I straight away go with a discount code for Messenger. I really just want to hammer home that sale. So I have the 10% for Wheelio that helps with conversion straight away. Then I have the 5% for people that don't go to Wheelio that might see it on checkout to hammer home a sale there. If neither of those work, I do Messenger. I do the 10% in Klaviyo as well. Then I do my DPA ads and do the same sort of approach there. And pretty much just hammer them with this type of stuff, basically. And it works. It works well. So just follow this. Just copy my templates. Rewatch this video. Copy the template. There isn't a great deal to it. I'll be honest. In Recart, I don't use the other features. I only use it for Messenger. Because I love how it integrates with Wheelio. That's the big seller for me. Just the integration with Wheelio. So that I get their Messenger So I get their Messenger from the add to cart, but also from if they sign up for Wheelio, so I get the email and Messenger, and then I can just remarket them. And you follow this and you'll get sales. Like, I just had a look at the store that I just fixed up with my fuck up before, and it's been just over a week since I've had the tick on that store, and it's generated me about 1,300 now in sales. 1,300 just from that, okay? And I absolutely love it. I found some little grammatical mistakes that I made there, and I'll fix them up. That could help make it even better. And you can see how just effective this really is. There isn't a huge amount to it, okay? That's all you need to do. There's other messenger bots, but this will work fine for you. It's from a trusted app with trusted integration. You'll be fine, okay? So that's it from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video anyway. If you did like today's video, please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment down below, and hit the notification bell, okay? The other thing I wanted to add is join my Facebook group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, link down below. If you don't have a Shopify store at this stage, there's a link below for a 14-day free trial, no credit card needed at all. And the other thing that I'm doing is there'll be a link below that for my one-on-one coaching. I'm opening that up a bit more, doing a couple more sessions a week, enjoying that. So if you want to have a one-on-one coaching, link down below, as well as I have a exclusive Discord channel that I'm opening up to the public, where you sign up to my Patreon and you pay $30 a month, which is absolutely nothing, and you get some exclusives, including my Discord channel, okay? So the reason that I do that is because it's more a live chat. I really like Discord. It's really easy to use, and it's like basically a live thread. So if you do like my videos, you want to support me in that way as well, and get exclusive content and exclusive Discord channel hosted by me, then link down below for my Patreon, okay? I really want to build that up. I want to actually just see what I can do there. Just quite interested in test myself. So once again, thank you very much for your time today. This is Ricky from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. You all have a lovely day.